Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I will show you on how to remove unusual sign-in activity in Microsoft account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are pretty new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply log into your Microsoft account. So for you to do that, simply come to the address bar right here and type in Microsoft account, press enter. And you simply come to the top right here, click on this icon right here. If you have not been logged in before, simply click on login with your username and your password. After you have successfully logged into your Microsoft account, next thing you need to do is to click on manage accounts. And you will be taken in just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to security right here. Click on security. Then you will be asked to sign in. So I'm going to use my Windows Hello external device and log in with my PIN. Then you'll be taken in right here. So as you can see right here, strengthen sign-in option beyond a strong password. So what you need to do right here is to simply click on manage how I sign in right here. So simply click on that and you will be taking it to all the ways and manner you use to sign in with your Microsoft account. Now right here, if you take note of any unrecognized activity at this section right here, what you need to do is to simply select on the particular activities you did not recognize. So I'm going to simply select this one right here, and once you select, you will have details about the activity. Now the alert is on for this particular login activities. Now, if the activities is not recognized, what you need to do is to simply click on remove activity and the account will be totally removed and nobody will have access to your Microsoft account again. It's as simple as that. You can also click on view activity. So this allows you to see details about how the particular account has been logging into your Microsoft account, the IP address of the particular account, the country, as the case may be, and how they were able to have full access to your Microsoft account. So if the login activities is not recognized, like I said, what you need to do is to simply remove the activity and you are good to go and your account will be safe. And for you to remove the activity, simply go back to the activity section, then click on the account and come down right here. Make sure you click on remove activity. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.